Hey everybody, I'm going to do another unboxing. We have so many handmade birdhouses, and as you can see, most of the rack is empty. We get these felt birdhouses in that are just so beautiful. Oh, it's opening on its own. They want out. They're so beautiful. So let's get to it. So, I'm so anxious to see. Yes! Little VW bus. We got any hippies out there? Or wannabe hippies? I know so many people just for nostalgia. Look at the love in the back. Just for nostalgia would absolutely love having this. And I want to show you something. Ignore my pandemic manicure here. Many people, it's very important to have a way to clean. And there's a button here to clean out the birdhouses. We don't unless there's an issue with the birdhouse, because the birds in nature just kind of, they'll kick out the old stuff and clean it up. But a lot of people, and understandably, especially if you get a special birdhouse, you want to be able to clean it. So all these do have a little button, and you'll be able to clean it if you want to. These are right out of the box. I will have them freshened up and shaped and all that kind of stuff. But how sweet. Look at the, just so cute. Okay, let's see what else we have. I know so many people that would love that. Oh, okay. We are actually, this was ordered online, and we have someone coming in as a curbside pickup. It's a gift for her mother. Look at that with the little flowers. How sweet. How, it's just so beautifully done. Little bird. Oh my gosh. And again, the button to clean it out. And it hangs like this. In fact, when she ordered this, I thought it was so cute that I had to get another one for the store. So we're going to have one here at this store. What is this? Yes! Okay. I got this because I just thought it was too charming. It's like a little Dutch house, little German cottage house. Look at the detailing, like cake icing. How cute. Again with the button. That would be so pretty hanging in the tree. Oh my gosh. And they're all made of felt, but look at the detailing here. And the flower work and everything. It's just really well done. The little stitching here. So cute, guys. Let's see. I think of my son. He loves gnomes. I had to get this. Again, these are right out of the box. We're going to have these all freshened up and stuff. It's just like our wicker baskets. Sometimes if they're squished, you just wet them down and reshape them. It's not a big deal. Look at his little eyes. A little flower in his beard. Oh my gosh, these gnomes are so cute. Let's see the back. Oh, how sweet. That is hysterical. Love it. Just love it. Look at button nose. And, oh, yes, yes, yes. We actually have a barn, a red barn, in the back of our property. Here's the little cleanup button. Look at the details. I know so many people that would love this. How cute. I know people with horses, barns, me included. Oh my gosh. So that's it, guys. We're going to have more at the store. You can see how well they sell. Hopefully you like it. If you have any requests, give us a message on Facebook or email if you see anything that you wanted to buy. In the store, we have hand sanitizer available for everyone. We wipe down the door handle and the cash register every time someone comes in or out. We wear masks. We're doing everything possible to make sure that you're comfortable. And, but at the same time, if you're not comfortable shopping yet in stores, feel free to call us, say, hey, that birdhouse I saw, or go onto our website. It's just goodworldgoods.com. And we do free local delivery right now. And that will be a drop-down option for your shipping. Curbside pickup, whatever makes you comfortable, we want to accommodate you. I want to say thank you sincerely to everyone for all of the support that you have given us and other local shops. It really means a lot. Hopefully we'll be in touch. I certainly pray that everyone is well and healthy, and Take care. Wishing you well.